Yun, good afternoon. Yes. Thank you for giving us your time for today. Ako nga pala si Juan Carlos, ang playing the character of Jasper. Di ko alam kung ano yung apelido ni Jasper. Nakalimutan ko na. Pero yun na yan. Thank you.
Pero ang swerte ng si Vivian meron siyang Jasper.
Mas swerte
Sana
siya. Mas swerte ni Vivian talaga.
Kasi, actually, kala mo kasi wala nang hope eh, tapos dumating ka. So, di ba?
Exactly.
Ganda-ganda
I
ng
agree.
character mo. Thank you, Juan Carlos. At eto na. Tawa ng tawa. Horror to. Joem Pasco! Joem! Ay, ang ganda rin ang role mo dito.
VJ naman. Di po sa lahat ng press, maraming salamat sa inyong pagpunta. Siyempre ngayon na lang ulit ako nakakita ng ganitong karami na press na mag-host ng ating press con. Yes. So, nasanay tayo na medyo unti-unti na yung mga taong pumunta pero ngayon sobrang
Hindi na
dami.
kaya
Yes. Thank you. Bali role ko dito si Benj, isa akong rockstar na cameraman ni Bibs, which is played by
Like
Joey.
yung revelation.
Tapos, yun, hubadero lang ako dito, lagi ako nakahubad. Hindi kasi yan init, kung mainit yung mga locations namin, biglang uulan, biglang araw ng sobra. Pero happy naman sa set, natatapos naman kami kahit na sobrang cover. Ginagawa.
Gusto kong marinig mamaya kay Direk Derek yung pagkakatahi niya ng character. Ang ganda-ganda talaga. Ikaw yung parang...
Ako ba?
Hindi, ikaw yung parang naging consensya. Hanggang doon lang kaya ko.
Sige, baka makwento natin yung buo.
And then, okay, next naman I have to apologize. But still a queen. Please welcome Miss Gloria Diaz.
Why apologize?
Ang taas ng energy ko ay Seth Romero.
I love her.
I know. Kayo, judgment.
Okay.
Go ahead, Miss Yu.
Okay, what's my role? Is that what you're asking me?
Would you like to tweet muna after mga viral videos mo sa TikTok and grabe, ang saya-saya ng mga I was watching you with Isabella. Ang dami yung mga nag-viral na videos.
Ganon?
I know.
I don't have TikTok yet eh. Anyway, hi everyone. Ang daming faces na hindi ko masyadong kilala. Some I know. Some faces are familiar. But many also are new. And I'm glad we're all alive and well. Okay.
Kasi pageant season na naman kaya naglalalabasan naman yung mga videos ni Miss Gloria. Winning moments ni Miss Gloria, di ba? How do you feel? Parang tuwing season na ganito, ikaw lang, you're everywhere.
Is it? I'm not aware of that, but good. Para akong na-resurrect, parang Lazarus na nabuhay ulit, di ba direct? Diba? Until I'm 90. Going to be 74 on April 5. Wow! Birthday ni GMA. Kasi president ni GMA.
Ang saya-saya, no? Ganon. Ang saya-saya, no? Alright. Before...
Okay. What is my role?
Yes! What's that?
I am the supportive mother of Jolie, and I own a carinderia that serves food, and drinks, and alcohol. And many of my scenes are there. And I live in a very old house, very kind of nice house. And I think my husband was not a very good man, so I'm always protective of Jody. I always build him up until she found out finally. And we have a small...
She was making believe na the father is
he was a good person and everything.
only to find out na wala pa sa will find out.
Yes, and then of course, and I was very excited. The typical mother, the same way I am about my daughters, yung talagang believe, very supportive. Because I was so proud, so happy, kahit sino mo, reporter yan, ganito ganyan.
Just like Annie.
Yeah, very typical.
Typical mom.
Typical mom. And all that. And, kasi with my children, I always say, alam mo, si Beth, ganito ganyan. And my daughter always says, thanks mom, I know you're not biased.
lang din siya.
Ganito rin. Very, parang kaya-kaya ko yun, no? To be a supportive mother.
Thank you, Miss Yu.
Thank you.
Before the lead actors, I'd like to hear from Derek Derry. please.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for coming, guys. Especially po sa lahat po na pumunta. And then, yun po, maraming po salamat sa pag-support na po na. Ano po?
Uy, sumasama sa promotion. Sige, enjoy ka din. Mall show, FanCon, meet and greet.
Oo,
Sibong mo.
yeah, nagsibo kami. Wala, kulitan mo din. Sana ako nakakapagpahinga. Kahit paano.
You get to rest naman when she needs food. Anyway, thank you. And of course, ang grabe siya. She's into movies talaga nowadays. Left
The
and
woman
right.
in love.
Talaga.
In love with the world.
Thank you, Lala Flores, for the beautiful makeup. Si Miss Lala does her makeup the past. Miss Jody Santa Maria! Nagpapayaman ng gusto, may new online shows, kung anong ang daming she's
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here this afternoon. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin yung presence po ninyo, yung time na nilaan po ninyo ngayong hapon para makasama po kami dito sa aming munting media hall. Kahit hindi talaga munting kasi sobrang masasabi ko,
100
napaka-well
media people
attended.
are here today.
So maraming salamat po sa panahon na ibinigay niyo sa amin ngayong hapon.
Alright, thank you, Mare. Thank you for your energy promoting this pang special na special talaga. Untold Truth. What's even more exciting kasi is the presence.
Wala kayong masyadong pinangatakutan. Saan po nang gagaling yung tapang? Ever since bata pa po kayo.
I don't think it's tapang.
Walang
It's
masyado.
tapang. It's just that I think I can manage things. Everything I can manage. And also, of course, I worked with him twice. And I was just telling him that Mattel is making a manananggal doll. A Barbie doll na manananggal. Did you? Kasi texted me eh. Oo. Kasi I did the movie just before this movie. I did with him a manananggal. Where I always kept, nangyari. And I always said, when am I going to stop making movies? Siguro when I'm already magkukulang or manananggal. Go and behold, yun na yan. So, yun. Hindi naman ako natatakot. Well, I was a little afraid when I was doing that. Kasi I was afraid. I said, at my age, parang ibibitin pa ako. Well, direct told me at that time, no, don't worry, meron kang, what is it, double. I never saw the double. Ako yun.
Grabe. Di ba sa direct may brand na ng yung mga buto, yung tumutunog yung mga buto.
Malay ko ba, nung pagtingin ko sa, ay, hindi to kaya ng double. Sige, salam niyo siya. Ayun.
Tita, ginawa niya rin sa akin yan.
Miss
Ginawa niya rin sa akin.
Ano,
Hindi ko mag-alala may double ka din. Kasi ako na yung nakabitin. Yung
Sa Clarita to, o dito.
Wala naman silang choice eh.
Alam ko pa naman mabait. Actually, I'd like to kasi, di ba nga naman, this is very special kasi di ba last year we launched the media event Legacy, di ba yung Regal, where we introduced 3 important projects na signal ni Mother Media. Lahat meron na, ito na po yung the last movie. And same time na nag-launch tayo na introduced the new face of Regal, our executive producer. We would like to find out, Sir Key, how hands-on you are dito sa production ng tatlong pelikula. Specifically, ito pong Untold na, kasi number 1 ka sa Netflix yung kaya Lawi, tapos top grosser yung Francet, and now, ito na po, this is the 3rd movie na we are offering to the public. The biggest horror collaboration for the year.
Yeah. Another question? How active am I?
I know how hands-on you are, pero gusto ko magaling sa'yo kasi
Yeah.
andun ka sa stage na gutom na gutom ka into doing all this brilliant concepts, hands-on ka sa lahat, gusto mo perfect lahat.
Yeah, of course. I mean, I think every time you want to do something well, you have to be hands-on.
Yeah.
And I think that was true from my time being a lawyer, my time working in tech, and it's going to be true during my time working in movies. You want to make the best thing possible. You just have to be in the weeds. There's no shortcuts.
In everything, there's no shortcut.